Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Today's video is a talk about pressure washing, external cleaning, gardening. If you're someone that's wanting to get into exterior cleaning, pressure washing, gutters, fascia, soffits, you may be a gardener, but if you're a gardener you won't want to watch this video. But basically, if you're getting into pressure washing and you're inspired by people on YouTube that are pressure washing and they're just blasting everything away with water, it looks amazing, they talk about how much money they earn and how much free time they get, wouldn't believe everything that you hear. So if you're someone that is pressure washing, you'll probably know firsthand about cleaning prior to cleaning. What I'm trying to get at is, say for example here we've got some typical block paving which has been put outside of a property. The house is probably built 1975, I think they were these. You've got block paving, you've got lots and lots of organic growth, you've got weeds, you've got spring onions growing up through the blocks. Gardener had been cut the bushes, etc., but not really cleaned any of the edging or made any effort really to scrape the block paving. So if you're pressure washing, it's always absolute best to clean, remove as much weed and vegetation as you can before you let a drop of water out. Because yes, your pressure washer with a turbo nozzle will destroy this, it will throw it away everywhere, and then when you come to clean up you'll end up with even more mess, weeds and blocked drains to clear, because all of this vegetation has got its way into the water stream and it will block up your drains, etc. So before you carry out any pressure washing, preparation is key. The more you clean and remove weeds beforehand, the better overall finish you're going to achieve with pressure washing. Tips to clean this up: I use a commercial scraper, lightweight aerospace aluminium pole with a 3mm stainless steel scraper plate on the bottom. I acquired loads of these when I was working for a big contract. The scrapers last quite a while, then they get fatigue and the holes crack in them, but I've got lots and lots of these replacements. These are brilliant for removing ice, removing edging and like vegetation from here, very similar to a garden edger but a bit more purchase behind the bar, which really helps. I've always got an aluminium shovel in the van, very good for removing, cleaning up like this, and also if we ever get any snow, which we might get every 50 years, it comes in handy. And a good quality stiff broom as well, absolutely helps remove and clean up. So yeah, remove, clean up, remove vegetation, and then go about your pre-treatments, whether you want to hypo spray this or you want to put a biocide down and then pressure wash it. But cleaning is absolutely key. I thought I'd share this video, some good tips and some hints for anyone that's starting out new in our industry. If this video has helped you, please subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Subscriptions are absolutely free. All you need is a Google account. Press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published and you won't miss out on new content. Give a video a like if you enjoy it, a dislike if you don't. Either way, your interactions go towards helping the YouTube algorithms. Leave a comment also, that really helps. Watch the video in full and check out my playlists and any other tips I will share in the top right hand of the screen. But thank you very much for watching AW Services.